how to move the page file from one partition to another one under Windows 10. Let's open a file explorer, type in Explorer, go to File Explorer. Usually it's on the C drive, here's the letter C where the flag is. So if you go there and View, Hidden Items are checked, go to Options, View, Hide Protected Operating System Files, uncheck that one, yes, and close it with OK. Now here we can see page file and it's 23 gigabytes in size. Okay, so I want to move this one to, let's say, that partition from the C to E. To do that, right click this PC and go to Properties. Here in this window, Advanced System Settings. On this window, here at Performance, click on this Settings button. Now Advanced and Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Currently set to the C drive, it's System Managed. Select the C, click on No Paging File and Set. Yes, accept it. Now select another partition that has 127 gigabytes of free space and there select System Managed Size and Set. So we moved it from the C drive to the E drive and OK, and we have to restart the computer. OK, close that one, close that one, and right click on the Start button, shut down and restart. Now Windows was restarted, open a File Explorer and on the C drive there is no 23 gigabyte page file, just the Hibernate file is that large. And on the E drive there we have the page file, it's also 23 gigabytes in size.